कैसे हो? मजे में? मस्त एकदम। बड़ा है? क्या बात है। सुपर्ब। यार मेरी फर्स्ट डिज्नी मेमोरी, आई थिंक कि all of us over here have so many Disney films because every other animated film is a Disney film when you're growing up.
Yeah.
So I feel like for all of us, and not just me, I think I can speak for everybody in this room, all our earlier years, all our growing up years have been about Disney films. And Bachpan has been spent in that, and that's exactly how it's been for me as well. And that's why it's been so special to lend my voice for a Disney film because बचपन से जुड़ी हुई यादें हैं तो it just becomes that much more special. For me, I think I don't know. There are so many, but if I have to say, do I have to pick one or two?
हाँ, कोई भी जो अभी बहुत ज्यादा फ्लैश हो रही है आंखों के सामने क्या है
See,
वो?
can you guys guess which? वो भी है, वो भी है. हाँ? See, okay, at the end of the day, I think that every girl can relate that Cinderella is is definitely very, very close to my heart. है ना? Do we all relate? I mean, like, yeah, Cinderella, and then you grow up and you're like, you want your dream to come true, and I think it's so relatable. So for me, it'll definitely be Cinderella, and also Snow White is also a very, very close one to me. But yeah, so many memories, and I have to say a big thanks to my parents for letting me watch all of the Disney animated films
I should also thank them.
while growing up, and really making it a part of my childhood.
What about Judy Hopps? क्योंकि she's perky, she's fun, she's also feisty like you. कुछ ऐसा special relation लगा जब आपने you took this up and you found this magic within you?
मैं आपको बताऊँ exactly as आपने बताया, I felt a connection with Judy Hopps. मुझे लगा कि यार काफ़ी सारे similarities है मुझ में और Judy Hopps में. मुझे लगता है कि हम we both have our head on our shoulders. And यहाँ पे now I will, how do you say good things about myself and Judy Hopps also. So we both have our heads on our shoulders. And I could also really relate to the fact that वो ना एक एंथू कटलेट है. तो मतलब वो जो भी करती है वो इतने इंथुजियास्टिक बन के करती है और शी इज़ वेरी, हाउ डू यू से, शी इज़, जब उसको अथॉरिटेटिव बनना होता है वो बनती है, जब उसको सॉफ्ट बनना होता है वो बनती है. तो आई फील लाइक टू लेंड माई वॉइस टू दिस कैरेक्टर वॉज अ लॉट ऑफ फन. एंड ऑल्सो जब बचपन में आईने के सामने बैठ के, मुझे पता नहीं आप सबने ये किया है कि नहीं, पर मैंने तो बहुत किया जब मैं छोटी थी. मैं और मेरे भैया, हम दोनों मतलब अलग अलग वॉइसेस में एक दूसरे से बात करते थे. एंड वी यूज़ टू इमिटेट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल ऑल्सो, एंड वी यूज़ टू imitate a lot of people in our schools and a lot of people around us and all of that. तो ये सब time pass हम सब करते थे. तो now to actually lend my voice for Judy Hopps, it's a lot of fun. I think my entire family is also very excited about this, I have to say, because it's something so fun to do.
And Star Studio 18 and with Zootopia 2 एक association जो बन गया है, that must be something super special for you as a professional as well, है ना? कैसा था?
I also have to say that for me, this has been, I have to say thank you for giving me this experience, because डबिंग स्टूडियो में जाके जब आप खुद के लिए आवाज़ दे रहे हो ना, एंड फॉर एनी कैरेक्टर दैट यू आर प्लेइंग, इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट. एंड फॉर मी टू गिव माई वॉइस फॉर अ बनी, and a bunny who is really cool, who's really lovable.
Bunny who's funny
and,
also, actually.
Who's funny and who does a lot of masti and a lot of dhamal. I have to say it was such a fun experience. जिस तरह से आपको अपनी आवाज़ को मॉड्यूलेट करना होता है, you have to really be able to scale the entire spectrum of what you can do. And उसमें ना मतलब एक छूट मिलती है. तो so that was a lot of fun for me, really a lot of fun.
Then should we actually share what you have?
Should we?
Yeah?
Should we go for it? Promo हो जाए. Let's go for it.
All right, guys, here we have it. A special presentation for everybody who loves Shraddha, and now as Judy Hopps in Zootopia 2.